So what is goal management? We have discussed. Okay, what is the primary advantage of goals, and what is meant by what are the different types of goals, like performance goals, and then there are three types of goals: performance goals, development goals, and personal goals. We have discussed all of them. Theoretically, we have discussed. Review periods also we have discussed, right? What is review period and how to create the review period also we have discussed, right?
Yes, sir.
So eligibility profiles also we have discussed, right?
Yes, sir. Review period and eligibility profiles.
Review period and eligibility profiles we have discussed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Today we are going to see what is meant by goal library. So what is meant by goal library and what is meant by goal plan. Okay, and how to assign goal plan to employees. So what is meant by goal library? Okay. And goal workflow notification setups. Okay. Employee self-service for goal management. Goal plans. And how to assign goal plans to employee. Goal library is nothing but the library of goals. Means suppose a HR specialist this year they want to create a set of library. Means goals. They want to create a goals, and instead of creating every time, one time if they create in the goal library, they can utilize multiple times. Suppose just like a library. Suppose a library means what? A book library. Generally, library means book library, right? People will not purchase the book. They will go for a library. They will read that book, or they will take the book for rent. And again, once they are done with the book, they will return that book in library, right? This is what actually the library means in general. Book library, right? Library means book library. Same thing here.
Of book.
Goals will be created by functional consultant. Okay, goals will be created by functional consultant while the implementation process is going on, and once implementation is done, goals will be created by the three people, whether a HR specialist, line manager, and worker. Okay, mainly HR specialist will create the goals in the goal library, and line managers and workers they will use that goals which are already created in the goal library. This is called as goal library. So similarly, you can take the analogy from the library, book library. So goal plan. What is meant by goal plan? Goal plan means so it will have a start date, end date, review period. So in which review period you want to complete this one. A proper planning would be there. And how many goals you want to achieve in this particular review period. So what is the weightage of each goal? All these things will be considered in this goal plan. Okay. And how to assign this goal plan to employees. So there is one particular process is there. We need to run that particular process, so that once you run the particular process, so this goal plan will have a eligibility criteria. So we know what is eligibility criteria, right? So how the eligibility criteria will be triggered? Based upon the eligibility profiles. So we know how to create eligibility profiles, right?
Yes, sir.
The goal plan will have review period, start date and end date according to the review period, number of goals you want to create in this particular goal plan, and weightage for this particular goals, and what is the eligibility profile. Okay, this goal plan is eligible for whom? That will also be part of the goal plan. So eligibility profile. So when you run a particular process and the parameter is the goal plan, this goal plan will be allocated or assigned to all the employees in this particular profile, eligibility profile. Let us take you're assigning these goals only for US1 business unit and particular department, particular business unit, particular legal entity, for a particular group of people. Only this goal plan will be allocated or assigned to this particular population set. So that is called as how to assign goal plans to employees. So this is at a very high level. I have gone through all the stuff. So theoretically, everything is there. Everything is there here. So I have updated all the theoretical stuff. Okay. So a lot of theory I have taken the help of ChatGPT and have gone through all this stuff. So we will quickly go to the application, and we will see the realistic view how a particular goal library is there and how the goal plan will be there. So for this one, you have to, for this particular goal creation of goals and all, so particularly while assigning these goals, you should be a HR specialist. Implementation consultants cannot assign the goals. Okay, remember that one. Okay, Monica, you remember. Lakshman, you remember.
Yes.
Gautami,
Okay.
Lovraju, implementation consultants can only create the goals. He cannot assign the goals because he doesn't have that kind of privilege. He is not a HR, right?
Yes,
Only
sir.
the HR specialist can only assign the goals.
Assign the goals.
So for that, what you have to do is to create one employee from the scratch. Assign, okay, by creating the employee, you will get line manager. So for that, you add this all the roles. I'll show you the roles. James Hudson. You add this application implementation consultant role, implementation manager role, and then HR. This administration role is important for this one. So to create the goal plan sets, human capital management application administrator role is important. You remember that one. Human capital management. What is the role name?
Oracle HRC Human Capital, sir.
So you remember the name of the role itself. You don't have to remember this role code. Human capital
Yes, sir.
management application administrator.
Administrator.
So you don't have to remember these role codes actually. You remember the role names. Application implementation consultant, implementation manager, application administrator, HR specialist, human resource specialist, so line manager. So there is some confusion between line manager, but this is the actual role per line manager abstract. This is the actual role. You can remove this one. But if there is nothing harm is there, it is there also. But actually per line manager is per line manager abstract, and employees per employee abstract role. So this is one thing you have to remember the role code. Okay. So just use this James Hudson. If you got any doubt, create your own employee, and mainly, so these are the roles you have to assign: implementation consultant role, implementation manager role, and a human capital management application administrator role, human resource specialist role, IT security manager role, integration specialist role, and line manager role. So you know how to do that, right? I don't have to waste my time on that one, right?
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, go to James Hudson and see the rules. Okay. So this is the default user. This user would be there. In any environment also, this user would be there. But Dev 24 only, I have removed other roles and I have created these roles. Okay. For particularly for goals, talent management. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now coming to my client groups, goals management, goals. Okay. First, we have to create goals in the goals library, performance goals. So how many types of goals are there? How many types of goals are there?
So performance.
Performance, goal management.
Okay, I'll ask one person. Raju, how many types of goals are there and what are they?
Sorry, sir, I haven't gone through the goals.
Just now I told in this class, right? Monica?
So organizational goals, development goals.
Mahesh?
Yes, sir.
So how many types of
Performance
goals are there?
Performance goals and development.
Very good. Performance goals and development goals.
Development.
Performance goals and development goals and personal goals. But mainly you have to tell performance goals and development goals. Okay. There are three types of goals are there: performance goals, development goals, and personal goals. Okay, it's an important interview question. How many types of goals are there?
Three types.
Three
Types
types
of
of goals. What are they?
Development.
Performance goals, development goals, and personal goals.
Very good. Very good, Mahesh. Yeah. So this type of attentiveness you should be there in the class. I've told you just now. Okay. So now I'm creating goals in the goal library. Okay. Now click on add. So first of all, what is the status? Status is active. So this particular library goal, which business unit you want to assign? I don't want to assign for any business unit. It is open for every business unit. So you don't have to select anything. Suppose if you want to select only this particular goal should be applicable only for US business unit, means you have to select this US1 business unit. But I am keeping this as open. Same thing. Department also. So this is important thing here. This particular goal, okay, this particular goal is available for whom? Whether it is available for HR specialist, or whether it is available for HR specialist and manager, or whether it is available for HR specialist, manager and worker. To whom you want to give access? I want to give access for all the people, HR specialist, manager and worker. Okay. Or you want to give only for HR specialist and manager. So you can give HR specialist, manager and worker. So for which legal employer? I'm not restricting for only one legal employer. So it's simple. Anybody can access in the total enterprise itself. Any legal employer can access this goal. So I'm making it as open. So what type of goal is it?
Performance
This goal. So this is a performance goal. Okay. Now, so goal name. So let us take Oracle HCM Talent Management. This is the goal name. What is the goal name? Oracle
Oracle
HCM
HCM
Talent.
Management.
certification.
So this is the description. Okay. Let us take start date. I want to give the start date, this one. Target completion. I want to give up to December 31st. Okay, this particular goal is available from July 1st to
July
2025 to
1st.
December
December.
1st, 2025. Okay, subtype means whether it is functional level goal or group level goal or individual service goals or individual compliance goal. This comes as part of individual service goals. Okay. So whether it is a stretch goal or target goal. Stretch means suppose you are doing everyday you are logging you are doing some job, some percentage of work. Suppose you are in a sales department or something like that. Suppose you want to increase your sales by another 10%. That is a stretch goal. So here it's not a stretch goal. It's a target, means definitely you have to complete. So stretch goals, there is a kind of concession would be there. Okay, if you don't complete that also, that's okay, because you have to stretch and complete that goal. But when there is no concession for the targets, means you have to reach, there is no other option. So target goals means you have to complete that one. Suppose if somebody asks, suppose you are in HCM implementation team and your manager or HR specialist told that you have to complete this certification by end of this December. That is a target goal. There is no other option for you. You have to complete that. So priority. So priority, this is a LOV. Means this is a what you call lookup. So in this priority lookup, I have added. So generally we will have high, medium and low. I have added it highest. I will show you that one. So I have given it as highest. Category. So this goal comes as a part of education. This goal comes as a part of education or whichever it is suitable for this one. Career. A success criteria. Okay, what is the success criteria? Employee should attempt the exam and pass the exam and need to upload the certificate in the portal. So this is the success criteria. So this is the success criteria. Okay. And now measurement. So this particular goal have any kind of measurements. Okay. So if you have any measurements, you can give that measurement. So let us take, suppose it's a sales goals. want to increase by 30%. So we will go target, we will see this one. But this is not measurement goal because we cannot measure, but only with the certificate only we can measure. So at this point of time, it's not a measurement goal. So tasks. So in order to complete this goal, so whether the employees has to perform any kind of tasks, yes, they have to undergo some kind of training. Oracle HCM corporate training they need to attend. Okay, corporate training. It's a kind of training. Status not started or in progress, something like that. So what is the start date? So let us take from August 1st, or let us take July 1st. So target completion date by September 30th, he has to complete the training. So priority. So again, it's highest. Priority is a lookup. So it is highest. So you should complete the training. Completion percentage 100%. Click on. So this is a task. Every employee has to attend the Oracle HCM corporate training. Oracle HCM Cloud corporate training. Oracle HCM Cloud implementation corporate training. Okay. So target outcomes. So what is a target outcome? So we are given this is a target goal, right? So target outcome is a certification. Okay, this is where the profile management picture come into picture. So now for now, just we will click on save and close. Okay, we will go to profile management. So you remember the profile management, right? Or you forgot? So we'll go to profile management.
Remember, sir.
So we will add item catalogs. In the item catalog, certifications. We can go directly here. I'll turn off invitation.
Okay.
Setup and maintenance. So go to profiles. So item catalogs, content items. Content items in this one, licenses and certification. Okay. In the licenses and certification. So what certification I have to add here? What is the certification I have to add? Oracle Talent Management certification, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will go and add that one. Item catalogs. So licenses and certification. I'll go to licenses and certification. Here, what I have to add, or what I have to search, whether it is there or not. Oracle Talent. It is not there. So what I have to add? I have to add one certification here. So this certification is going to use in the target outcomes in the goal management. Oracle Talent Management certification. Okay. OTMC. Talent Management certification. Renewal required. Renewal period. Years. 2 years. Okay. Now click on save and close. So everybody understood what is the importance of profile management here?
Yeah, we have
Yes,
to
sir.
create.
Yes,
So what is the certification we have added? We are going
Yes.
to use in the target outcomes for the particular goal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to goal library,
Goal library.
goals. What is the name of the goal we have created? Oh, it is not coming. Okay, we will see that any kind of approvals are there for goals. So now it is coming. It took some time. Oracle HCM Talent Management certification, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the particular goal we have created in the goal library, right?
Yes.
Oracle HCM Talent Management certification. So now what is the target outcome for this goal? So target outcome is licenses and certification. Okay. So we have to select what is the target outcome. It's license certification. Click on add. So here Oracle Talent Management certification. So Oracle HCM Talent Management certification. Click on save. So this is the outcome, target outcome. Now you are understood what is the advantage of profile management. This content section, this is the target outcome.
Yes, sir.
We have to get there.
So this target outcome is particular content section is licenses and certification. After completion of this goal, so what is the target outcome of this goal is he should be certified, and this is the profile. Okay. Now I am done with this creation of goal. Okay, I have done with the creation of this goal library. Okay. So let us say there are so many goals are there, right? So these are all goals like complete sexual harassment course, and then project status reporting, participate in green impact program. So all these things comes as a part of goals in the goal library. So there are the different goals. So now, without much wasting time in creation of goals, we will create goal plan. Goal plan is nothing but at what time we will start these goals, what is the review period, and what is the success criteria, and to whom we need to assign these goals. Everything we will be discussing. Okay. Click on add. What is the name of this one? Let us take for Q3. Okay, Tata goal plan for quarter 3. Let us take this is the name of the goal plan. Okay, we can give any name. This is for goal plan for quarter 3. So what is the review period? Review period is Tata review period Q3. So this is the review period should be aligned with this one. So from when to when the goal will be there? July 1st to
July 1st to
September 30th.
August,
This is
September.
the review period. Okay, for this particular review period, I am assigning one goal, or I am assigning goal plan for this review period. So action for workers and managers and HR assigned goals, whether they can delete or they can only cancel, or they can cancel and delete. Okay, they can only cancel, they cannot delete. I'm giving the option they cancel that one. Okay, you want to enforce some of the goal weights is 100%. Okay, you can enforce that weight. Enable the weight means you can give weight for each goal. I'll tell you how to enable the goals and how to enforce some of goal weights is 100%. Okay, everybody understood this one? This is a goal plan name, status, and description. This is the review period. Review period is very important for the goal plan. For goal, there is no review period. For only goal plan, we will be having a review period. What is the start date and end date will be populated automatically from the review period. And whether you want to give weights or not, it are completely up to you. If you don't want to give weights, that's okay. But if you want to give weights, you can give weights. Now,
Sir, here I have one doubt, sir. Sir, we have created one library, sir. So we have given time from July to December 31st to complete the certification. So for goal plan, we are giving Q3. Is it like matching, sir? I'm just have a doubt in this.
okay, for the goal, this particular goal will be active from July 1st to
From
December
July
31st.
1st to December 31st, sir.
Yes. But here,
So we are giving,
as per the goal plan, I'm assigning for certain population, this need to be completed from July 1st to September 30th only. For some other population set, means depend upon the eligibility criteria, I'll assign from October 1st to December 31st.
Okay, okay, sir. Understood.
Depend upon the eligibility criteria. So this is also
Okay, sir.
eligibility profile, right? Eligibility criteria.
Okay, sir.
So here we are adding goals. We are adding goals. Suppose if we click on cancel, we will come to goal plan. Now, once you click on here goals and click on add, you will go to the new page. So this is completely new page. So we want to select from the library goals. So what is the library goal? We have already added Oracle HCM Talent Management certification. Already we have created in the library, so it's very easy for us now. Everything auto populated. So how much weightage you want to give? Let us take 60%. 60% weightage I am giving for this particular goal only. Okay, now click on OK. So remaining, so 100%, 40% is there, right? I want to add another 2 goals.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cut travel expenses by 30%. Okay, cut travel expenses by 30%. I'm giving 20%. Okay. So remaining how much we are having? 60 plus 20. Another 20% is there, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Green impact is there, right? Impact. Contribute to climate program. Participate in the green impact program. Participate in the green impact program. I'm giving weightage 10%. Okay. It's a corporate social responsibility. Just we need to participate. So 10% I'm giving. And again, I want to add another goal. One is, if you see here, one is employee service related goal. Another one is company travel expenses, means financial stability, 30% reduce expenses. Another one is for community. So personal, organizational, and community. So we want to add another goal. Talent, impact, build a KPI project. So let us take incidents. Decrease the incidents. Safety related incidents like fire and all, police, all these incidents. So it is like 10% I'm giving wage. Okay. Because you need to be safe in the office environment, office premises, right? Or let us take, I want to remove this particular one. I want to add, so everybody should complete sexual harassment course. So this is the default one, right? In any company. So you have to complete, and that contributes another 10% weightage. So total 100% contribution completed, right? So 10 plus
Yes, sir.
20 plus 20, 40 plus 60%. Total 100% completed. So
Yes.
all these goals, to whom we need to assign? Just we have created these goals in the goal plan. And the particular goal plan having a review period from starting from July 1st to September 30th. Okay, to whom we need to assign? So how we will decide that is, we will select the eligibility profile. So these goals will be eligible for whom? So in the previous class, you have discussed about the eligibility profile, how to create the eligibility profile, right? What is the eligibility profile we have
Yes, sir.
created in the last class?
For employee and contingent worker, we have created
Eligibility
data
profiles for the
eligibility
goal manager. So this is the most important thing is, we need to assign all these goals to this particular eligibility profile. This eligibility profile will take care of everything. Whoever is eligible, these goals will be assigned to them, and this is required. So apart from these people, you want to assign to any other persons, you can add. Let us take one person like. So have you created any person in a different, apart from US1 legal entity? Like your own legal
No, sir.
employers.
No, sir.
In recent times, have you not created any employees with your own legal employer?
No.
No, sir. Not in this.
Okay. So if you want to create, if you want to add, apart from this legal, apart from this eligibility criteria, if you want to add any other persons, you can add it here. And if somebody eligible and you want to remove them, you can remove from here by adding those username, by adding those worker names. Okay. If anybody is not eligible and you want to include them also in these goals, you can include them by adding the particular person name. Okay. And if you want to remove from this existing eligibility profile, select the particular person and remove them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we are going to create a goal plan. So goal plan primarily is having what? Goal plan primarily is having a review period and the goal weightage
Goal
and the
weightage.
goals and then eligibility profile.
Profiles.
Click on save and close. What is the name of the goal plan we have created? What is the name of the goal plan?
Tata goal plan for quarter 3.
Tata goal plan for
For
Q3.
quarter.
Q3.
Okay. So why it is not coming? Can anybody tell me why it is not coming? See, there is a review period option. Review period we need to change. We are searching
Yes,
this one, but review period is 2026 annual cycle.
Yes, sir.
What is the review period?
Tata review
July
period.
to
Okay. So what is the goal plan will be having? Goal plan will be having the review period. This is important. If you don't select the review period, we don't get the goal plan.
Sir.
Review period is a base foundation. Okay. Review period is the base foundation. So review period, Tata, any goal plan will be having review period, weightage, and
Weightage.
eligibility profile. So now I want to assign this goal, right? We have created the goal plan, but did it assign to any employees? No.
No, sir.
So how we are going to assign?
But
as a
hiring
HR
that.
specialist.
By
As
two
HR
types.
specialist.
We are going to assign by two things. One is shared process for performance goals. Sorry, schedule process
Schedule.
for performance goals. So click on schedule process for performance goals. Select the process type. You want to assign goal plans, right? Select, we have not discussed goal plan sets, right?
No,
Yes,
sir.
We have discussed only
Yes.
goal plans. Assign goal
Yes.
plans. Select assign goal plans. So what is the process name?
Assign
What
goal
is the goal
plans.
plan name?
Assign.
Goal plan. Tata.
Tata.
Q3, sir.
Tata goal plan
Goal plan
And
for Q3.
for Q3.
yes.
Okay, select that one. Okay. It's very simple to assign the goal plan for employees. Select this process type is assign goal plans and select the goal plan name. Okay. And click on submit. So we have submitted the process
Process.
which will run the process in the behind scenario, behind scenes, and that particular process will assign goals to all the employees who are eligible for this eligibility profile. This particular process will assign the goals who are eligible in the eligibility profile. If you want to see that process, click on monitor process. Sorry, my nose is not good. I'm having running nose. So manage goal schedule process. So it is running, right?
Running.
It is running. So it will take, so if we see the submission notes, you remember to give the proper submission note so that you can understand this was submitted by us. So today's class is really, really important. So definitely, if somebody asks you in goals, they will ask you what is goal library, what is the goal plan, and what is review period, and how you will assign goal plan to a particular set of population or particular set of employees. Everything today we have seen. Okay, we have seen what is goal plan.
Goal library.
What is how to assign goal plan to employees. Okay, we have seen goal library. Okay. So tomorrow what we are going to see? How employee self-service for the goal management, because today as a HR specialist we have assigned the goals. Tomorrow as an employee he has to go as employee self-service and he has to complete the goals, right? As a HR specialist we have assigned the goals. Once that goals are assigned,
Need to complete.
employee has to complete those goals. Tomorrow we will see how manager will assign goals and how employee will complete that goals, and what is goal plan sets and how we can assign goal plan sets. Okay, what is the difference between goal plan and goal plan sets? Goal plan set is nothing but set of goal plans. Okay, if there are 5 goal plans are there, you want to assign all 5 at a time for the same review period. The review period should be the same. Then we can use this goal plan sets. And what is a primary goal plan? So there will be only one primary goal plan for one organization. So everybody should be synchronized with the primary goal plan is nothing but organization goal. Primary goal plan is nothing but organization goal. Okay. Tomorrow we will see the remaining topics. We will see this one. So it will take some time because it depends upon the eligibility profile. It has to assign these goals to so many people, so many employees in a particular legal employers business. Depend upon the eligibility profile, it has to identify and assign those ones. So what is the eligibility profile we have created? What is the eligibility profile we
Yes,
have created?
one legal entity. Tata eligibility profile.
Tata eligibility profile. This is the hierarchy, right?
Yes, sir.
So now that particular process has to assign the employees
Run.
who are active payroll eligible, comes under US1 legal entity, comes under US1 business unit, who are salaried and who are employees and contingent workers. So these many verifications it has to do, and for each and every person who satisfies this condition, this process has to assign the goals.
Start.
How many
Yes,
goals it has to assign again? 4 goals. Okay?
Yes.
You can't okay. So everybody understood today's concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
It will take some time. Okay. We'll see that one tomorrow, remaining thing tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank
Thank you, sir.